The breaking news coming in, Election Commission has defended the checking of burqa-clad women's identity. Amidst the protests, the EC has defended the move to verify the identity of burqa-clad women. Demands by some opposition parties that the EC withdraw its directions to withdraw the identity of burqa-clad women at Bihar's polling stations. EC has defended its action, saying it's implementing a decision that was taken as far back as 1994 when T.N. Seshan was heading the election authority. Samajwadi Party, among others, asking that you relook at this decision that was taken, which will allow Election Commission officials to check the identity of burqa-clad women. You want to give us more details on that, Aishwarya? Clearly, opposition parties once again in the crosshairs of Gyanesh Kumar, the Chief Election Commissioner.
Well, definitely, Rajdeep, we have seen how there has been a lot of points, especially with regards to SIR, that the opposition parties were raising, and now they are categorically saying, because we all heard in the press conference very clearly, Gyanesh Kumar, who's the CEC, he said that now checking will happen. There will be women who will be standing there and checking of the women who come in burqa-clad, who come clad in burqa. They will also be checked, because we have seen how at various points across the country there have been complaints that voting fraud has happened, because a lot of women come clad in burqa and they vote not once but more than once. So this is something which the Election Commission has been very clearly looking at. And in fact, let me tell you, this is a fact that the former CEC, T.N. Seshan, also had said way back that this is something which needs to be done. And then we have seen over different states, over different elections, how this is something which has been a big bone of contention. The Election Commission now very, very clear that the opposition as well as other parties also have been asking the Commission to make sure that the elections are fair. This is a step towards making sure that elections are fair. This is how the Election Commission is now defending this move.